Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you yellow heart on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So what does the yellow heart mean? You send the most snaps to the person, that person sends the most snaps to you. Basically you are each other's top snap buddy. Other Snapchat friends emojis like yellow heart means number 1 best friends, red heart means you've been number 1 best friends for 2 weeks straight, and pink heart means number 1 best friends for 2 months straight. Then smiling face indicates your best friends for not number 1, and then grimace emoji denotes you say are number 1 best friend. So these are a couple of things that you should know, and the yellow heart on Snapchat actually means that you are number 1 best friends on your friends list. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.